Again, another power series, another, you know, interval of convergence for this over here. So let's write this down, limit, using a ratio test. N goes to infinity. And then it's going to be the absolute value of x to the n plus 1 over n plus 1. And we're dividing by this term here, which means we're multiplying by its reciprocal. And it's going to be x to the n. You need to simplify this, and what do you get? Limit n goes to infinity. It's going to be x times n over n plus 1. And if I did that limit, I want that limit certainly to be less than 1. And looking at it, what do I get? I actually just get the absolute value of x, because as n goes to infinity, n over n plus 1 goes to 1, less than 1. So what I'm seeing over here is the x has got to be between 1 and minus 1. Now, what we're not clear about is what happens at 1, so we need to test it out. And we also need to test out minus 1. So if x is 1, I wonder if it's equal to it. What do you get? You get a pretty simple series, by the way. You get n equals 1 to infinity, and 1 to the n is just simply 1, so 1 over n. So that clearly is divergent. If we did this one over here, what do we get? Let's take a look. We get sum, n equals 1 to infinity. Then you get minus 1 to the n over n, which is definitely convergent, so I got to include that. So what's the interval going to be? It's from minus 1 up to 1, not touching the 1, by the way. You can also write that in this way, whatever works for you. Thank you.